Hey, so I wanted to share this with you guys because I wanted you guys to see the sheer scale of this place. It's absolutely huge. You can see the Central Guard Tower over there, but then I'm just going to pan around, and you can see that Sachsenhausen grounds extend for quite a ways out. Again, I'm going to keep repeating this, but it's this entire memorial is an amazing testament to how human beings can take something that was meant for such horror and such carnage and resurrect it as a symbol of the importance of pursuing peace and recognizing the humanity of others. Yeah, just absolutely amazing. The stone memorials, as you can see on that line, the grounds represent the barracks houses that were once here.